Welcome back to my channel Math Brain, and really interesting challenge today: 2 times 2 divided by 2 times 2. This is challenge you've ever seen on the first side. We have only 2, multiplication, division, multiplication, so everyone learned this stuff in the second grade, so that's fantastic. But let's pause the video, try to solve it by yourself. What do you think about the correct answer A, B, C and D? Let's choose your answer. What do you think is the correct answer to this challenge? And write your suggestion down into the comment section. It will be really interesting to read about your answer. What do you think is the correct answer? Because this is a very tricky challenge and many students go wrong, and of course I will solve this question in 1 minute, so it will be really interesting to check our answers in the end of the video. So first of all, I want to rewrite this challenge. So we have 2 times 2 divided by 2 and times 2. Okay, this is our challenge, and a lot of students solve this question like that. They say, okay, multiplication right here, and we have the same multiplication right here. So we have 4 right here, we have 4 right here, and with this division in the middle, so we have 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 1. We have this option. This is option A. So a lot of students solve this question like that. They say that correct answer to this challenge is option A. Okay, but I want you to understand that in math we should know what is the correct order to do this problem, because obviously whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. And for this challenge, let's look, for example, at this PMDMC order of operation, and let's solve this question according to this PMDMC. Okay, so this is our, looks like, second interpretation. This is our first interpretation, but let's solve this question according to this PMDMC. So we have 2 times 2 divided by 2 and times 2. Okay, here's our challenge, and let's look at this PMDMC. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. So right now let's go through the steps. So from the top to the bottom in a strict order, from the top to the bottom. On the top the higher priority, on the bottom the lowest priority. Okay, first of all, parentheses. I don't see any parentheses, so we just skip this part. We don't have any parentheses. What about exponents, squares, cubes? I don't see any of those. We don't have any cubes, squares, like 2 to the 4th, 2 to the 5th power. I don't see any of those, so we just skip this part. Multiplication division group, let's look at it. Yeah, we have a lot of multiplication division signs. So right here we have multiplication part, and right here we have division part. And moreover, we don't have an addition and subtraction sign. Yeah, we have only multiplication and division sign. So multiplication right here, division right here, and multiplication right here. And here's maybe the main thing right here. What is the correct order to do this problem? Should we multiply it first, or divide it first, or multiply right here? This is the main thing. And according to PMDMC, correct order is in a strict order from left to right. So we should scan what is the first sign from left to right. According to this challenge, the first sign from left to right is this multiplication. So 2 times 2 is our first step. So we have 2 times 2 equal to 4, and we still have this expression. So as you can see, completely the same step as before in the first interpretation, but in this second interpretation we rewrite this expression. We don't do the thing with this 2 times 2 as before, yeah? So we just rewrite divided by 2 and times divided by 2 and times 2. Okay, so here's our challenge. And right now we still have division multiplication part, and we should scan once more what is the first sign from left to right. Okay, so let's scan what is the first sign from left to right. Of course, this is the first sign from left to right, but in this case this is division. So we have 4 divided by 2 equal to 2, and 2 times 2 equal to 4. And as you can see right here, we have completely different answer. And here's maybe the main thing: what is the correct answer, option A or option C? Because it looks like a two completely different solution, but each of these is absolutely correct, this one and this one. But I want to say that in math we should know what is the correct order to do this problem, and according to the order of operation we solve this question in this second interpretation. Okay, from left to right, multiplication division has the same priority, so from left to right, and step by step we just simplified it. So the correct answer according to PMDMC is option C. But what about this solution? It looks like a correct solution, but I want to say that according to in terms of math we should know what is the correct order. Yeah, and right here this is very bad order, because we just do whatever we want. We just multiply it first, then divide, which is really big mistake in terms of math. With parentheses, this is a correct solution. Then we have like right here parentheses first, then right here parentheses at first. Yeah, so we have 4, and the third step is division. So because of this priority thing, parentheses has the highest priority, so we should multiply both sides. But in our case we don't have parentheses, so let's skip this part. So the correct answer to this challenge, this is option C is a correct answer. So let's write it. Answer This is option C is a correct answer to this challenge. So I hope your answer is the same as mine, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos with basic math, pre-algebra concept, really interesting challenges, relaxing quick challenges every day. So if you're interested in this, you can easily subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of videos. So with that being said, I wish you all the best. See you in the next videos.